Process, technology, and organizational change start with deploying the right tools for the job. This is where Atlassian's project management product, Jira, comes into play. As Atlassian partners, Modus uses Jira to track and manage our projects. One of the more common questions that come up about Jira is what's the difference between epics, components, and labels, and when's the right time to use them? Let's break it down. Epics are simply containers that are filled with user stories and track details for a particular body of work. Use them to capture large pieces of work, provide a high-level description of the work that will be done, and share with the team and stakeholders. Unlike components and labels, epics are issue types. Setting up an agile board for epics allows stakeholders to track stories at a high level and observe their child issues. Components are a great way to create sections within a project. You can use them to align issues within a project that share common technologies or feature sets, like user database or e-commerce. A very nice feature of components is the ability to set a default assignee for a particular component type. This helps to self-manage work and highlight the person who's the component lead. One pitfall of this is that, by default, the component lead is also the project lead for all components. The project admin can update to an appropriate role as needed. Labels, as the name implies, can be thought of as tags or keywords. They add flexibility by allowing you to align issues that are not under the same epic or story. Anyone can add labels to an issue, as long as the label field is available in the issue. Where components are a structured grouping, labels are more of a free association that can be used by anyone for any purpose, and allow for simple querying and reporting. One pitfall of this is that it can sometimes create numerous spelling, capitalization, or grammar variations. All three of these Jira features are a fantastic way to manage, monitor, and report on work being done in your project. But like any tool, they can be misused or misunderstood. To read more about the pitfalls of each of them, check out our blog, Using Epics versus Components versus Labels.